Hello everybody and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to have a look at it how to make this parallax scrolling effect. So I think you all seen this on many web pages. When you scroll the web page, the background of for example, this element right here scrolls at the slower page than the rest of the content. As you can see, the effect right here, this is the finished product, and it gives a kind of depth impression to you, so it looks really nice. So yeah, with no further ado, let's get into coding it. So let's turn to HTML first. Place a div, give it a class. Its class will be content. Inside of this we'll have that element with a background image, and its class will be Parallax BG, and also inside of this, as you saw, we'll have a heading and we'll say hello everybody. And yeah, that's it for HTML. Now for the CSS, as usual, you know what to do. Our margins and paddings to 0. Next we'll target our content. We'll give it just some random height so that we can actually scroll the web page and see that effect, that parallax effect. Also give it some background color, dark gray. Next thing is we'll target this parallax BG element, set some styles for this element, so padding top and bottom to 300 pixels, just to give it some breathing room so we can see the actual scrolling effect, and also to vertically center this heading background image. I will use this image right here, and you can use your own image, but I will provide this image in the description so you can follow along with me. Background size will set to cover, so it covers all of that element. And another thing, background attachment to fixed. Save it, now we'll see what that does to this element. And as you can see, once we set the background attachment to fixed, as I scroll, see the background image basically stays fixed and it doesn't scroll with the rest of the content. And another thing, I want to set transition property to this element right here, just to make the parallax effect a bit smoother. WebKit, we'll set those browser prefixes. And the last thing, Parallax BG, I will target that heading right here. We'll center align it to in the web page. I will also set the text transform to uppercase. All the letters are uppercase. The color of the font will be white. We'll bump up the font size to 70 pixels and font family to Arial. Yeah, that's it for our HTML and CSS. Now we just have to write some jQuery just to make that effect happen, because now once we scroll, as you can see, the background stays fixed and we don't have that parallax scrolling effect. So first thing, I will place some variables right here. I will target the document and get the references to reference to document and parallax BG. It was a div with a class of let's just paste it right here. Next thing is, let's attach an event listener to the document, and we'll fire this callback function every time we scroll the web page. So first thing, I want to get how much we have scrolled from the top. So variable current scroll position, we'll target this, or we can just target document element dot scroll top, and we'll get the number of pixels we have scrolled from the top. Next thing is target our Parallax BG element and give it some CSS, one CSS rule, and we'll say background position, and we'll change the background position. That's how we are going to make that effect happen. So the background position of X value will be 0 because we don't want to change it. We want to change the Y position. So it will be 0 plus current scroll position, and we'll place a minus before it because we want the scrolling position to have a effect, so the background moves up a bit once we scroll down. So that's why we're placing a minus right there, and we will divide it by 4. So we have this nice effect. Plus, also need to place pixels. So save it, refresh our web page, and yeah, as you can see, we have this nice scrolling effect, parallax scrolling effect. Also, if I can show you real quick, it also works just fine on other browsers. I'll open up Firefox real quick here. As you can see, really smooth, really nice effect that we have come up with here. So yeah, hope this is helpful for you for your some kind of projects, and thank you for watching this video. So see you next time. Bye.